Fresh off the plane from the Worldwide Developers Conference in Cupertino, we've got more from Apple. Well, not directly from Apple. This could be our first look at the iPhone 14. So long-time viewers will know that every year around this time, a parcel arrives, and it's normally the dummies. The dummies are mock-ups from factories in China who either have information or believe they have information about the next iPhone. And so what they do is they make these dummies, and those dummies then help case manufacturers build cases in readiness for the next iPhone to actually hit the market. So let's have a look. Now, before I open these up, let's remind ourselves. These are the dummies from last year. Pretty bloody accurate. So we had a mini, we had the standard iPhone 13, 13 Pro, and the 13 Pro Max. And you remember last year, you've got these kind of two 13s with just the two lenses, and then the two Pros with the three lenses, and the three different sizes. So your mini, both your 13 and your 13 Pro are the same size, and then your Max. So the question is, what's Apple going to do this year? And here they are. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, of course, Apple might release 6 phones, and whoever these people are only know about 4 of them. But let's find out. Alrighty, so let's have a look. Now I need to not get confused here by last year's and this year's. So to do that, I'm going to put last year's dummies away. I'm going to bring out last year's real phones. 13 Pro Max, 13 Pro, 13 and 13 Mini. Okay, so they're our 4 phones from last year. So what have we got here? We've got probably the 14 Pro, let's assume. This looks like your Max. This has only 2 lenses, so that's got to be, oh, hang on, they're bigger. That's a different size. I'm somewhat confused. Let's wait and see. Interesting. This is not quite normal. There's going to be a change. There's going to be a change to the iPhone lineup in 2022 because that is not a mini. So I can tell you straight up, assuming this leak is true, we're not going to have a mini. And that makes me very sad. I love the mini. It's the perfect size phone. But you people aren't buying enough of them, clearly. So let's put those aside for a minute. We have 2 sizes, 2 lens types. So I think we're going to have 14, 14 Max, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max. So essentially, that puts a larger screen iPhone at a slightly more affordable price because it won't have all of the camera guts that this guy has. So just at a glance, putting them back to back, side by side, they are almost identical in size. Same kind of everything everywhere. The SIM card slot is different, but that may not be a true representation. And just quickly, that's a lightning adapter. So no USB-C for the iPhone 14 if these dummies are to be believed. So the standard size, so this is your 14 Pro, again exactly the same size. I'm going to say straight up, I think the camera bump is bigger on the 14, looks bigger, and we'll test that out on a case shortly. So this 14 Max is the same size as the Max, but just different camera, different material too, so it's not glossy, shiny. And your standard 14 then looks identical in almost every way, including the camera, to last year's model. So one way to test that, and this is what it's all about, is cases. So this is the case, the Apple case as well, not a third-party case. That's the Apple case for the 13. So let's see how that goes on the 14. It is not identical. So there's a slight change to the camera bump, which means that I can't quite kind of close the case over. I think other case manufacturers might have a bit more tolerance. Apple certainly doesn't. So there's a slight change in the, just the slight change in the size of that camera bump there. And then looks, this is a life-proof case for the 13 Pro Max, as you can see. So let's have a look at how that fits on what we can only assume is the 14 Pro Max. I can tell you straight away, again, camera bump, different. So the camera bump on your 14s is different. But the big news there really is a remarkable change to the lineup. So for the last 2 years, we've had a 12 and 13, a 12 and 13 mini, a 12 and 13 Pro, and a 12 and 13 Pro Max. If I was to guess, based purely on these poor quality, cheap dummies that are in no way, certified by Apple, this is a 14, this is a 14 Max, this is a 14 Pro, and that's a 14 Pro Max. So 4 phones, no more mini, lightning charging, and a slightly different camera bump. There's no apparent difference, so there's no additional lenses, there's no change in the sensors or the flash setup. And if I look really closely, the lenses look bigger. The lenses look a little bigger in this, the 14 Pro Max. Very, very slightly. I mean, you'd need one of those scientific measurement gauges to see the difference, but it's there. It's a very clear difference, I think, in the size of the camera. So, we can pretty much safely assume, as we always can, that we're going to get a better quality camera, better quality photographs across the iPhone 14 range, which is what you see right here. Now, there's one other thing that I need to show you here, and it's very hard to see, so I'll try and get a close-up that ever so slightly points it out, and it's all about the notch. Now, the notch on the 13 was narrower, slightly smaller. I think, just from these mock-ups, that the notch on the Pro models will in fact be a cutout. It's very hard to see and tell, but there is an oval shape at the very top of each of these screens that is not on the standard 14. So these two 14s have a very clear speaker and camera, right? Whereas here, we have a speaker which is just so slightly larger than last year's. But then there's a large oval and a small dot. Now, that's either going to be an under-screen camera, which I highly doubt, or a cutout, a hole punch. And I think the hole punch is the most likely outcome. So there you go. Another reasonably big change, if true, if it's on the iPhone 14. That's how we see it. That's how we can assume it is as we look at it straight out of the box from a dodgy factory in China. We won't know for sure until mid-September, late September availability most likely for an iPhone 14. And I think we can safely say the Mini is dead and Lightning lives on. Full details, photos at EFTM.com.